Let's shift focus to more news. Pushing for dialogue between two nations, Pakistan Army Chief General Bajwa said that it was time for India and Pakistan to bury the past and move forward, as he asserted that the peace between two neighbors would help to unlock the potential of South and Central Asia. Many experts believe this could finally lead to a peaceful dialogue between the two countries. Here's a detailed report.
Addressing the first ever Islamabad security dialogue, Pakistan Army Chief General Bajwa pitched for peace between India and Pakistan, saying that stable Indo-Pak relations was a key to unlocking the potential of South and Central Asia by ensuring connectivity between East and West Asia. He added that the potential for regional peace and development always remained hostage to the disputes and issues between Pakistan and India, and said it was time to bury the past.
Stable Indo-Pakistan relation is a key to unlock the untapped potential of South and Central Asia by ensuring connectivity between East and West Asia. The potential, however, has forever remained hostage to the disputes and issues between two nuclear neighbors. Kashmir dispute is obviously at the heart of this problem. It is important to understand that without the resolution of Kashmir dispute through peaceful means, process of subcontinental rapprochement will always remain susceptible to derailment due to politically motivated bellicosity.
Bajwa's comments came a day after Prime Minister Imran Khan said that Pakistan was trying to bring in peace and that the move would be mutually beneficial to both countries, as it would open up trade for Pakistan in South Asia and provide a direct route for oil and gas to economically benefit India. Though neither General Bajwa nor Prime Minister Imran Khan have specified any minimum steps to be taken by India, India last month said that it desires normal neighborly relations with Pakistan in an environment free of terror, hostility and violence, as the militaries of the two countries announced an unexpected ceasefire. Dialogue and ties between India and Pakistan were severed after a terror attack on the Pathankot Air Force Base in 2016 by terror groups based in Pakistan. Bureau Report, Republic TV.